Aloha family, malo soifua 2026, Happy New Year. It's a blessing to be here. Yeah, soifua mangwia ya ke ko umalava. Leu karaka ko faloloa ngai Mount Jewett, One Star Road, Faith Street store, One Star Road, Mount Jewett. So we are open from 6 until 12 a.m. tonight. So yeah, more than welcome to come down and check us out tonight. But tonight, dinner with Samoan chef. Yes. You know, you'll be asking me, why are you calling yourself Samoan chef? First of all, I'm Samoan. Born in Samoa. You know, but you know, I love to cook, so why not? You know, I want to call myself Samoan chef. If I can cook, you can cook. You can call yourself a Samoan chef. You don't need. All you need is approval from your wife and your kids, or your dad and your mom that you can cook. If they like your food, there you go. You're a chef. Anyways, tonight dinner with Samoan chef. So our dinner tonight is kamalale sapasui and rice. Kamaleo. You know, I don't know how you make sapasui, but you know, to me, I like to keep it simple, and also as long as the lia is good, and it doesn't really matter what meat you put in. So tonight we are having sapasui, chop suey, and rice. Sapasui and Alisa. Wow. So that's our dinner tonight. Sapasui and Alisa. So this. If you want a chop suey and rice tonight, well, this is a smaller cup, but we are selling a $10 container. Sapasui and Alisa, chop suey and rice together, $10. So you know, come down tonight. You can have some chop suey. But you know, sometimes we like to quality control. You know, kaya kofa wangai po seki. So, meka ua mera sapasui. Seki lia. No, most important on chop suey. Any chop suey, you gotta get the right lia, get the right vermicelli on the noodles. Kaunga sa noodle, because if the noodle is not right, you know, you're gonna get all those little mashed potato chop suey. But kaunga aungi pala lia. So I'm very simple, you know, because we are catering you know, a multicultural community here in Mount Jewett. Welcome to the area. Anyways. So we keep it simple as sapasui. I know my parents, they love to put a lot of garlic, all this mashed garlic, and there's sapasui. I mean, that's how we do it in Samoa. Sapasui with garlic, a lot of ginger. But we are serving multicultural community here, so we you know, we just use the one from the bottle. Easy. Come on, I have there. Oh, right. So, I'm using chicken. Except that chicken, a chicken. Because everybody eats chicken, you know? We don't want to do it with mamoi or bovi or pua'a. Some people don't eat pua'a, some people don't eat mamoi. But chicken is like, or the meat in Western City. Because if you go around Mount Jewett, or Blacktown, or even Western City, Sydney, and also New South Wales as well. Sorry, there are a lot of chicken places, like, you know, fried chicken, roasted chicken, like charcoal chicken, you know, some Indian chicken, all the curry chicken, butter chicken. You know, there's chicken everywhere. So that's why we decided to use chicken, and which is a good taste. It's got a good taste as well. So, if you ask me how I make my sapasui, very simple. First palay na mo, and yangi, and then you chuck in saucy. Oh yeah, I love saucy. But we like to use the normal sauce that we use in Samoa. Now, the mushroom sauce, that's one of the secrets too. Secret ingredient, because you've been buying a lot of different saucy, but the best saucy for sapasui is the sausage with the mushroom. When you see a mushroom sauce, when you see the mushroom on a sauce, that's the original sausage that I used to see my grandpa use in Samoa. So you know, right. So this is our very first episode of Dinner with Samoan Chef. But yeah, simple as sapasui. Right, sapasui and rice. $10 from Tuesday to Saturday, 6 p.m. to 12 midnight. Here in Mount Druitt in the area. Number 1 Stout Road, STOUT. Here in Mount Druitt, so come down and have a Sapasui and Alisa for $10. But we have it in the container. But that was yum, man. That was yum. Simple, yum, not too salty. So Samoan Chef, we'll see you on our next video. Let's go.